Hi, I'm Connie from Promotion by the River, and today I want to do a show and tell and show you some different quilt projects that I have made for Valentine's Day or any time that you would like a red and white quilt project. And most of these, well, in fact, all of these, you'll be able to go to my website and find tutorials to make all of them. I have been blogging for a long time, many years, sharing patterns and tutorials. And just recently I started doing YouTube. So all of these you can find on my website. And down below in the description, I will put links to all of the different quilt projects. This first one is a hidden wells type block, and the blocks are tiny. They're like 4 inches. That's cute. This is a larger one. This is actually, let me see. Should have this written down, shouldn't I? This one is 18 by 42. And there are actually 3 quilt blocks. This is the way it's quilted on the back. Like I said, the tutorial is on my website. This is a perfect one for Valentine's Day. It has 3 hearts, and I've done a little fancy free motion quilting on the hearts. It's batik. I like working with a lot of batiks. And this one, I believe, is 15 by 48. You can see the quilting on the back. How about this one? This is actually my piano keys quilt pattern, and I have made this multiple times in all different kinds of fabrics. I believe this is probably one of the first ones I ever made with the hearts on it. Great one to use with jelly rolls. Here's another table runner, some little hearts, batiks again. Isn't that cute? That's actually an orange, but it really looks good. In the back, I just used old fabric from my stash. This is another hidden wells. I love making them. I make them all the time. In fact, I just finished, no, I didn't do it. I was going to say, I just finished one. This one here is another hidden wells. This one, I believe, is about 18 inches square. And it uses four different fabrics. They are so much fun to make, and everyone looks different. I've got another one, a teal one I'm working on. I just need to get it quilted, and I'll be able to show that to you. This one is my twisting hearts. I did this a long time ago, and it was fun. Here's what you can see, the quilting on the back. These are tiny blocks. I believe they're like 1 3/4 inch when they're finished. And I've got the tutorial on my website. This one is like a split rail. Another way that you can use your jelly roll strips up. Phew. Same thing with this. There's some more that I had left over, and I play. You never know what the design's going to turn out like. I make mug rugs. I don't have any of them to show, but then also baskets. I love to make baskets. I've been making these for a long time also. You can go to my website and find a tutorial to show you how to make these in various sizes. So I hope you enjoyed seeing something different today. And like I said, everything you can find on my website. Thank you.